Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to expand the automation lanes in Logic Pro 10. Now I think for me this is really just a bit of an efficiency shortcut in the sense that it just makes things much quicker to look at and altogether less irritating if you're trying to make a bunch of edits. So first things first, you can see I've got some modulations happening to this pad synth that I've got going. So to access the automation window, we need to press A. And then we have to come down to this little triangle here on the left hand side. If we click that, you'll see we get a little drop down lane, and then it shows you some form of automation, which in this case is panning. I don't actually have any panning on this. But if I switch it over to, like a different, for example, sustain, it would show sustain there instead. Now I've actually got automation on the region itself, so in order to access that you need to click the track region button there, and you can see that I've now got some reverb automation up here. But again, it still doesn't show anything down here, and it doesn't show me all of the automation that I've got going on. So if I wanted to switch this over, you can just click through, that's totally fine, it does work. But again, it's only showing the one thing that I've clicked on. I want to see everything. I've got multiple lanes of automation. And I want to, let's say, make adjustments to all of those at the same time. So how do I do that? So come over back to that triangle and then click it, and then hold down the Option key or the Alt key, click, and then all of your automation appears at the same time, which I think is just super useful, much quicker to make adjustments that way. Now there is an extra to this video as well, which is you can do this in the editor window as well. So if we go ahead and press E, make sure you're on the track or region button, you can actually also cycle through your automation as well. So if you're doing this, you're maybe playing this back through, you can cycle through this live and make adjustments sort of on the go, as it were. Cool, well I hope this was helpful. I think personally it's really helpful just to speed up making those little adjustments that you tend to make when you're getting to the mixing stage of things, and just makes things a lot more efficient. Any questions or anything like that, drop me a comment and I'll try and get back to you. And other than that, thanks for watching.